Hello, third grade. All right, this is a quiz review. This is something similar to your quiz. I've discovered that the final quizzes in Think Central, are all different, or there's a couple different ones, but they do all have the same concept on each number. So we're going to go over this one to see if you have it correct. So we'll look at this number one, and it says, so for quiz number one, it says select the correct answer. What do a rhombus and a square have in common? They both have 3, 4, 5 angles. So if the angles tells me how many vertexes there are, how many corners, and they are both quadrilaterals. So this would be the correct answer. Okay, number two. Select every name that describes the figure. All right, well, is it a quadrilateral? As it does have 4 sides, so we're going to click that one. So not a quadrilateral, doesn't apply. Is it a rectangle? Does it have 4 90-degree angles? It does not. Is it a rhombus? Are the 4 sides the same? No. Is it a trapezoid? One set of parallel sides, which would be this side and this side. If you were to put both of these sides together, it would make a triangle. So this one is a trapezoid. Is it a square? No, it is not. So that would be the answer to number 2. Number 3. What triangle has a right angle? I hope you picked up in your studies that all 90-degree angles, when they're drawn for you, if it is 90 degrees, it will have this little square in the corner, because some look pretty darn close and it really is hard to tell for sure. So the rule is, when anything is drawn in a book, if it's 90-degree angle, then it has this little square in it. So we can choose C because it has a right angle. It has that 90-degree angle. Number 4. All right, this says choose the figures that are quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals mean that there are 4 sides. So if I count the sides, that one is. Does this have 4 sides? No, it has 3. So that's a triangle. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a quadrilateral. Quad meaning 4. And the last one is a doghouse. Ha ha! Not a doghouse, it's a pentagon, so that is not it either. And the last one, choose the figures that are quadrilaterals again. Okay, quadrilaterals, pentagon, quadrilateral, quadrilateral, and the last one, 4 sides, trapezoid, but quadrilateral. This is an unregular, or just a polygon. We call it, well, it's a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, but it has no parallel sides. So it's just a quadrilateral, and there is a parallelogram. Hopefully you remembered those. Okay, that is all 5 questions. I know these are where, make sure you check your vocabulary cards. Those will help you to make sure you know what the definitions of each of these shapes are. That is your help. In fact, let's go back to number 3 and hit the step-by-step. Okay, you know a shape has a right angle if the right angle symbol in one of its corners. Yep. So it has to be C. Same thing. So hopefully you've done the practice ones on those and you will be okay. All right, that is it for the quiz.